Hello and welcome back to Scale JDM Reviews. Today we're doing my first wheel review on this channel. We've got a few more of these to come. And on the bench today you can see that we have the Werfen GT-03 Aoshima 20-inch wheels. Now these things look absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to get in the box and see what they look like in scale. Before we do that, I'll take you just give you a quick look around the box. We'll just go onto the back side here. Oops, there we go. And as you can see, we get some decals with it. There we go. It tells you how to fit the wheel and the outer rim that comes with it. Some basic instructions on how to put the decals on and which way the tread goes. So without further ado, let's have a look what's in the box, shall we? Give it a shake. Okay. First thing we have is the decals. This is like a common decal sheet that would come in a few sets of wheels, judging by the different plates here. Now obviously these are Werfen wheels, they're not Leonhard or Works, or even Club Linear for that matter, but it's a good way of getting some spare decals as and when you need them. What you can see is you've got the centre cap decals as well, and those just have the final little touches once the wheel's in place on the kit. Next up, we'll get the tyres out. Now a lot of these wheel kits do come with the stance low profile style tyres that allow the car to sit really nice and low. These ones in this particular box are not those. I'm not too sure if the later versions of this wheel set come with the newer tyres, but these are just standard, albeit very, very low profile tyres. As we can see, nice detail on the tread there. And of course, trusty set of polycaps. Okay, and now on to the bit that everybody wants to see. The wheels, the actual wheels themselves. Now these are stunning. Not too sure if the camera is doing it any justice, but they are absolutely gorgeous wheels. Some lovely deep dish. The offset and everything on them seems to be the same front and rear, so there's no chance of getting it wrong. So we've got the lips, which are in a very lovely chrome plate. Very nicely, all as per normal Aoshima standards, absolutely well, beautifully moulded. And we have here the actual wheels themselves, minus the lips, and you can see all the bolt holes because these are split rims in their real life counterparts. So you can see the bolt holes, obviously the centre holes and stuff, and the centre caps that you would put those decals on. The good thing about having wheels in two parts like this is because not everybody wants completely chrome wheels. You know, some people think, well, you know, my car's black, okay, fine. Chrome wheels always look good in a black car, but what if I want to do those centres a clear red or something like that? Well, the great thing is you can just paint that as a separate red, put those on, and voila, you've got yourself a set of custom wheels. So this is why I love it when they do these separate lip sprues on these kits, because it just gives you that extra choice to go a little bit further with these wheels, you know, compared to a normal set of wheels, which for example, if we look at these Leonhard Ordens that I've got here, these are one-piece wheels, so if I wanted to do the inside of those in a different colour, I'd have to use like blue tack or something around the edge, make sure that everything is sealed off, and then do my painting, which is fine. But these just make that job a lot easier. I mean, they are a stunning chrome, and they will look good on any car that you put them on. And just as a tester of that, I'm going to put that back on there like that, that back on there like that, and we're going to get my trusty Project Magesta, which is just here, and we're going to see what these look like inside. There we go. Now I can't get very low on the front there, but you can see that it does look very, very nice. But if we go to the back, we've got a little bit more room to play with. Put it inside the arches, get some low on it. Absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, a very stunning wheel set. I wouldn't expect anything less from Aoshima, to be honest. And yeah, looking forward to get these in our kit pretty soon. So there we have it. The Werfen GT-03 20-inch wheels from Aoshima. Stunning set of wheels, and I definitely recommend that you go out and get some right now. I hope you've enjoyed this quick review. I have got some more wheel reviews on the way, and I hope to see you again on those future videos. Other than that, from me, it's goodbye, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.